asked him to open a government engineering college, Vellore. He said, I don't have money in the government. But if you are interested, you can start one. That was the year when self-financing private colleges were allowed in engineering in Tamil Nadu, 1984. First state to open private colleges was Karnataka. Then came Maharashtra. Third one was Tamil Nadu. And fourth one was Andhra Pradesh. And 1984 was the year I applied, and it was given as a small college. It was affiliated, Vellore Engineering College in 1984 was affiliated to the University of Madras. Of course, we started growing, and in 2001, during Vajpayee's period, when Dr. Murali Manohar Joshi was the Minister for HRD, we became a university. The growth became very fast. What started as 180 students, now we have two campuses, one in Vellore and one in Chennai. We have 29,000 students drawn from all the states and union territories of India, and also from about 50 countries. Now it has become an international campus. Why people should join VIT? What is the USP? When there are hundreds of universities and thousands of colleges, what is it that VIT offers for the students? The first USP I would like to emphasize is that we don't make false claims. Whatever we have, we project among the students, parents, and the public. The second most important thing is we don't go out of accounts. We don't take cash. Only checks and drafts are taken. Everything is in accounts. That's not a big thing, but in this country that's also a big thing. And about the students, always the parents are worried about the future of their sons and daughters. India is generally one country where the parents spend everything for the children. Among India, I find these two states, of course, the Telugu parents, they spend the maximum money on their sons and daughters. That's real, because I have been comparing parents of all the states when they come and admit their children, spend money, etc. And what do they look for? They want a good academics, good health for the student, safety of the student, and ultimately he should end up in a good job. Or he should join, if he wants to go for higher education, he should end up in a good university in the Western countries, particularly in US.